The 2SC Scissor Platform Parking Lift is a cutting-edge solution designed for efficient two-level parking. Utilizing a scissor mechanism, it offers a stable structure, easy installation, and minimal foundation requirements, making it a convenient choice for various applications. Equipped with dynamic mechanical locks on both sides, the 2SC model ensures secure parking at all times. Its automatic lock release allows effortless vehicle retrieval, while the double-cylinder drive system provides smooth and reliable operation. The reinforced structure and hydraulic overload protection further enhance safety and durability. Featuring a full-width platform with a gradual slope, the 2SC lift accommodates vehicles of different sizes with ease. It is also suitable for outdoor installation, offering customizable colors, adjustable platform width and lift height, remote control options, and weatherproof electrical components. With a lifting height of 2,000 mm and a 2,700 kg capacity, the 2SC Scissor Parking Lift is an ideal parking solution for residential, commercial, and industrial settings.